Hey guys! Today we got some exciting news if you like copy trading. The Covesting Module is launching on PrimeXBT. We invested in Covesting in the ICO stage. It has been a long time since then and we are super excited to finally see a working product. In this video, we would like to show you the PrimeXBT exchange and how you can use it to make copy trades. Just a few days ago, Covesting announced on their Twitter that they are launching the copy trading module on PrimeXBT. I didn't know this exchange before the announcement. We have looked into the exchange, because we really want to use the copy trading feature. And since we are probably not the best traders, it's a great opportunity to follow experienced traders, and make money off their trades. The website looks good and you can not only trade Bitcoin but other assets like stocks or gold too. There is no KYC required if you want to trade crypto. If you like privacy, this exchange is a good option to stay anonymous. We put the link to PrimeXBT in the description. Let us watch their short introduction video.
Welcome to PrimeXBT, the most powerful trading platform, offering immediate access to more than 30 assets. Trade cryptocurrencies, forex, stock indices, and much more, all from a single Bitcoin-based account. Easily multiply profits by trading with a 1 to 100 leverage. A $100 deposit gives a trader as much as $10,000 in capital. Earn from both growing and falling markets. Leave no profit opportunity behind. Grow your capital to new heights with multiple order types, low trading fees, and ultra-high liquidity. Registration doesn't require any personal information, so you can start trading in just a few minutes. PrimeXBT, #1 platform for active traders.
There are a few features that we really like, and one you have to be really careful with. As I mentioned before, the privacy function is great, and that you have exposure to other asset classes can help you to diversify your portfolio quickly. We were really impressed with the daily volume. With more than 500 million, they have a higher trading volume than Kraken does. Here comes the feature that sounds really nice, but can cost you a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. We highly suggest, if you are not an experienced trader, to stay away from trading with leverage. It's much better to use the copy trading function that we are going to show you in just a minute. PrimeXBT is available for both Android and iOS. We just opened a brand new account and it only took a minute. The navigation is very simple with only 5 tabs. If you go under Trade, then you will find all the available markets and you can pick what you would like to trade. We also recommend staying away from the Turbo tab. It's basically pure gambling. You can bet if the price goes up or down in the next 10 minutes. It's a little bit like playing roulette. You bet black or red, but you probably won't make any money in the long run. Let's go back and see what the Covesting module looks like. You have 3 tabs to choose from. In the first tab, you can find traders to follow. Below you can track how well your portfolio is doing. And on the bottom, you can create your own strategy and offer it to other people. Since we are only interested in copy trading, we use the rating tab to find good traders. We sort the list by total profits. That's an obvious metric, but also keep an eye on active days and followers equity. The longer a trader is using the platform, the more likely it is that he didn't have a few lucky trades. I would be careful in following traders who have just started out. You can view the equity tab as social proof. If many people following one trader, chances are high that he makes decent trades. To summarize, pick traders with a long history, high profits, and good social proof. BTC Monkey looks like a very good trader. He has been active for over 100 days, and is backed by more than 12 Bitcoins. If we click on him, we get more information about his offer and what he is trading. He is trading crypto, gold, and the stock market. With 455 people, he already got many followers. In the left bottom corner, you will find his offer. Depending on how many Bitcoin you want to invest, you will receive between 60 to 75% of the profits. The manager always gets 20% and PrimeXBT gets a cut too. It's a win-win in my opinion. You don't have to make any trades and you make passive income if your trader does well. Once you have found a trader that you like, you simply enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to follow him with. We've decided to follow a few traders and invest 0.3 Bitcoin. We will keep you updated on our investment. If you want to try PrimeXBT, the link is in the description. Please subscribe to our channel and we will see you in the next video.